Hello, my name is Amanda Burma. I'm with FrogLogic, and today we'll be going over Squish GUI Tester's Jenkins integration and executing Squish tests as part of a build process. Using my Jenkins environment, which is located on another machine, I'm going to access my project and simply click Schedule a Build. Now when I kick off this build, part of this build includes Squish steps, or Squish Build Steps, which execute different tests. I have one set of tests, which you see right now, currently executing against a Java application, after which the next build step is going to execute tests against an Android application. I happen to be using an Android emulator for demo purposes, but this can be against an emulator or an actual device. These devices, emulators, applications, as long as they're accessible via the network from the Jenkins server, you can have them execute across any of your different test environments. Now that the Android one's done, it's going to execute a set of tests against an iOS application, again, using the simulator in this case, but it could be against a device as well. All of the results of these different tests, part of your build process, are then collected back in Jenkins, where you can view your project results, your build results here. And from this build, we can see some of the Squish test reports. So we ran 3 different sets of tests. We can see each one's report. Click on one of the sample reports, for example, and we have here our Squish reports, the summary, what passed, what failed. And if we scroll down to show you one of the failures that occurred, comparing 2 strings here that weren't equal, you also have the ability to capture a screenshot at the time of failure, no matter which Squish edition or integration you're using, showing you the entire desktop at the time the error occurred. Your reports are then available as part of your build process in a central location, and you can execute tests against any machine across your network where the Squish server is listening for incoming requests from Jenkins to execute those tests. How is this all configured? If we come back to our project and click Configure, Squish-specific build steps can be added to your build, specifying what Squish package you would like to use, what test suite you would like to execute, test cases, where those tests should execute, their host and their port, and I happen to have multiple Squish-type test steps in my build process against the various applications that I'd like to test. To set this up, simply download and install the Squish GUI Tester Jenkins plugin. Thank you for watching this quick video. Please download and evaluate Squish at froglogic.com/evaluate and see other resources at froglogic.com/resources.